Oh, you got it.
Yeah. All right, Troy.
Yeah, we're live. We're live.
Well, we're here at Motor. What am I supposed to do?
That. We're here at Motorama.
There's Victor.
So, when you start your channel.
Victor's happy to be here. That's for sure. Victor, when you start your channel?
No.
Yeah, he's happy.
We're here at Motorama. It's day 2. Didn't film much of yesterday, although Mike has some footage of yesterday.
A little bit.
Ton of people. Weather, of course, does not cooperate, which I think scared a lot of people out. But for those of you watching who came out, thank you, thank you, thank you. You got some walk around footage yesterday?
I got a little bit.
We'll try to get some today, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Come up here and check out.
All right, we're live again?
Yeah, we're live again. We're gonna check out the Pro Charger.
Check out the Pro Charger.
Yeah.
See, honestly, when it is satin black, like you can't even tell that it's in there.
You don't. Well, the green belt's the only thing that like.
Well, the cool thing we did was the color matched plate, which I think is a really cool touch.
Let me come around the other side here. Yeah, I do like the black on here. It's definitely it's nice to kind of make it look a little bit of factory look here, and then the coil pack relocations on here. Definitely a clean build.
But you can legitimately.
I've got to film this absolutely ridiculous camera setup. See,
Ridiculous?
yeah, you guys think I vlog with a camera setup. Look at this thing. You got a big screen there to see what you're doing.
This is hobby stuff here.
Oh, this is hobby stuff too for me, but look at that. That is dedication. That is definitely not what Mike uses. He uses a little GoPro. That's like 3 times the size of my camera setup. That's absurd. How was your little powwow over here with both what's the nickname for this one?
ZL2.
ZL2.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
That's what I write. So like when my monthly payments on that car, I do ZL2 payments, so I know.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm paying that car right now.
So is this all like Jack's
Alright, see you.
truck and then everybody like all the way?
Jack's trucks. Oh, actually.
Well, that's
what's
chain.
Yeah. So he starts it, and then Martin's Lexus, right there before that black truck. So we got a pretty big area, but they didn't account for Jack's truck, so we had to squeeze in to fit Jack's truck in here, and unfortunately we all got split up too.
Yeah. Well, I think next year we're just gonna have like half of this expo center.
We're gonna register for Motorama tomorrow for next year.
Yeah, and then literally just what size space do you want? 100 yards by 100 yards.
Yeah.
Sir, that's half the warehouse. Not
You're
my
building in half.
Yeah.
Thanks.
That'll be the best. And by the way, no e-judged trailers to be parked in the middle of a spot.
Yeah. What is with that?
I don't. It's not needed at all. This is pretty cool. I mean, it's gonna be hard for you guys to see the paint on it, but look, I mean, look how clean that is. It's like a mustard copper. Let me show you the back here, the Jag set up in the back. Definitely a cool truck. I would imagine that that's probably a $40,000 paint job, maybe $50,000 paint job, but this is, I think, my favorite car of the show right here. I love the satin stripe on the hood. That's really clean. I really, really like that. I'd rock that. But it's black paint. That would get get old after a while trying to take care of that. Got everybody Everybody in the booth here. Got Mike's massive truck that literally goes up to like my chest now. And then let me get down here and show you the C7R. ZL11LE. The Viper you guys all know. Would you look at this? Now, I believe Mike was going to do this on his car. Ended up doing the camo wrap, but check this out. The C7R livery, I love this. This is, I think, one of my favorite wraps Shane has done by far. So check this out. It's just tastefully well done. With all the graphics here, you can see the satin kind of camo in here on the graphics all around there. Just a well done, unique car, and I really think you did a really good job on it. So, I think, like I said, out of all the cars, I think that one's my favorite. I'm not a big Corvette guy, but the C7 platform is a phenomenal platform. That one wins for me in terms of wraps. Posters are selling.
Posters are selling.
Good weekend, right?
Oh, good weekend, yeah.
It's a very good weekend.
Snow was kind of bad.
It's clear out.
Night,
it's clear out there now. So, still YouTube channel?
No, not yet. Not yet. Okay.
Sit rep.
Still about it, I guess now.
We got a not yet out of it. So yeah, definitely a good turnout. So
Steve's here.
We'll catch up with you guys in a minute. So guys, we're back from Motorama. Saved the donation bin from the previous video. We're gonna count it here and see how much is in the bin. $250, well, $251.50. Thank you to everybody who came out, first of all, to the show to support us and what we do. It was always nice to see you guys and hang out with you and chat with you guys, but also to everybody who donated for the cause. I know Kirsten's a happy camper.
Very happy. I appreciate it very much.
So I know I wasn't expecting this. I don't think she was expecting
No.
this. I think she was, a little concerned that people were only going to give like $1 and there wasn't going to be anything in there. So I threw my end in there, and we're pretty happy. We're going to, I think, keep doing this at all the car events. So the call outs, the shows that we're at. I'm sure Mike's in agreement with that. I know he's not here, but thanks, Mike. I know you're going to be in agreement with that. So, again, thank you guys. It really means a lot to her and me, myself as well, and all the dog lovers, animal lovers as well. So we'll put the link down below to where it's going to. It's going to the Hope Project. What is the website?
It's hopedogs.org.
Hopedogs.org. So I'll put that on screen or down below. If you guys want some more information on that, you can check out the link. And again, one last time, thank you very, very much. Sidebar, Kirsten wants to say a little message.
I'm just really shy.
She's really shy apparently in front of the camera. So we'll get there. We will get there.
Oh.
Figured I'd do the outro here, wrapping up on the couch this evening. Kirsten and I are pretty pooped as well as everybody else. So thank you again, everybody who traveled far and even local and came out to see us and support us. But the most amazing thing is that we simply put a box out to donate for the Hope Project and animals, and you guys definitely came out and delivered. So it really means a lot to myself and Kirsten. Again, I know I sound like a broken record saying it, but I also wanted to show you guys that I apparently won an award. Outstanding vehicle. Not sure if you can see that on there, but let me tell you what, I did a lot of standing this weekend, that's for sure. So I think Kirsten has something to say. I'm going to let her wrap this video up for you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.
I just want to thank everyone who came out and donated. It's awesome that you guys are giving to such a great cause. I'm really passionate about rescue animals and helping animals that, don't have a home and that are in need. And I'd like you guys to leave a comment about maybe a rescue or a foundation or a charity that you would be interested in donating to, and hopefully next time we can do one of your choices. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, click that red subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.